Here's how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. This is a really quick and easy tutorial, so let's get into it. So first, what you want to do is head on over to your Google Play Store or your App Store, doesn't matter, and then in the search bar, you want to find TikTok. Once you're in the TikTok page, you want to find a button that says Update. However, if it doesn't say Update, that means your TikTok is already fully updated, so you can simply click on Open. And so once you're in the TikTok page, you want to head over to your profile and hit on the 3 lines at the top right corner. From here, you want to click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're in Settings and Privacy, what you want to do is actually scroll down, and then you want to find the toggle that says Support and About right over here. And under it, it says Report a Problem. You want to click on Report a Problem. So then once you're in Report a Problem page, you want to scroll down under the Topic section, and as you can see down here, it says Live. You want to click on Live. So now you want to click on Other Hosting Live Issues. And as you can see, it says, Is your problem resolved? You want to click on No. So now you want to click on Need More Help. And then now you're going to be brought up to a TikTok custom page where you can basically tell TikTok exactly what you need. So basically just say something along the lines of, hey, TikTok, can you please enable my TikTok Live? I am missing the feature on my account. And simply you can attach a photo or like a screenshot or something to show them. And after that, simply click on submit. TikTok will get back to you and then enable your live feature.